What's up guys, Hadam World is here again to share with you another wonderful dish that you will surely love it. Today we're gonna make a whole back of the lamb, which the best part and the soft part in the lamb. This is actually, it's a whole lamb, okay? Whole back of the lamb is like this. Okay, this is the correct position of a whole lamb, and here is the softest part in the lamb. So let's start guys, mix all the ingredients so we can marinate this one, and we're gonna keep it in the chiller for overnight. Okay, so let's get started guys. Today is different than the lamb shoulder that I have done before. So here we have a ginger, I chop it very small. We have lemongrass, here cardamom seeds, and I crush some of it. We have here turmeric, we have salt, we have here mint. Today we're gonna add the mint more in our dish because the smell and the taste, it is amazingly yummy. Then we have here garlic with olive oil. So we have vegetable today, we will put more. We have here bell pepper, we have here carrots, we have here potato. Okay, so let's start guys to marinate this one. First take garlic with oil, ginger, lemongrass, cardamom seeds, salt, and the mint. We're gonna mix all of this together. And this one I'm making my own seasoning. I make my own seasoning, which I can see that it can give me a lovely taste. It can give me much better taste. It can give me very delicious taste. So I'm gonna use gloves guys. Here our whole bag. So here our lamb is marinated. Now I'm gonna marinate the vegetable by the same seasoning that we make. So as what you can see guys here, we already marinate the potato and everything. We put it inside the bell pepper, potato and the carrots, so it will absorb more. We're gonna cover now with aluminum foil, but we're gonna put cooking pepper, okay, before the aluminum foil. So it will not burn, you know. You're gonna put aluminum foil. So must be covered well like this so it will not burn. Gonna see you guys after 3 hours and the temperature gonna be 250 degrees. So guys, here our lamb, we let it 2 hours. Now I'm gonna take out the vegetable first, then I will put it back for 1 hour more. And it's up to you guys. You can put the lamb first and then you can put the vegetable, like let's say 2 hours, then you can put the vegetable for 1 hour. But me, I just put it in the beginning because I want the juice of the meat to drop on top the vegetable to have the good taste. Still, it needs at least 1 hour. See our vegetable, it's cooked. I'm gonna transfer it here. It's perfect cook. It's not that too soft. It's not that hard. See, this is the juice that I'm talking about. The juice of the lamb. Just gonna cover it and we just put it for 1 hour in the oven. And if you want this to be crispy, you can put it half an hour in the oven, then remove the cover and leave it to complete the 1 hour so it will be a little bit crispy. So see you after 1 more hour. So guys, here our the whole back of the lamb, it's ready. Let's see how it looks like. Oh, it's cooked. It looks nice. Oh my god. You can see here the meat separated with the bones. Here the tastiest part and the soft part. See, even with this we can cut it. See, even with the tongue we can cut. Everything is soft. You can see here, everything is soft. Everything. So guys, I wish you like what we make for today, our dish. As usual, I make my own version, my own seasoning. Okay, please try it at home and do subscribe to my channel. don't forget to hit like and to subscribe to my channel, and please share it with your friends, with your colleague, and see you in other dish.